Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a scene of friends enjoying playing Dandiya. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome from the CSMC channel to all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing or have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, when celebrating Navratri, why do we play with Dandiya and what does that represent? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, let's know a little about Navratri. Navratri is a vibrant Hindu festival celebrating the divine feminine, honoring goddess Durga over 9 nights. During this time, people joyously play Dandiya and garba, traditional dances symbolizing the battle between good and evil, fostering unity and festive cheer. Now let's start with our sketch. Let's draw our first character, who is a male, dancing. Use basic shape in the first part of our drawing so later we can add details. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using simple lines. Our next character is a girl dancing and playing Dandiya with the man. Use the same approach as we did for the first character. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Add a simple details like clothes to our characters. The next character we will be drawing is a man playing drum. Next, draw the intricate details like the facial expression and details of the clothes. Now let us draw in the background. This is a Dandiya night scene. Draw accordingly. Great job with completing the sketch. Now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a scene of a Dandiya night. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Dandiya Ras, the rhythmic dance using sticks, represents the mock fight between goddess Durga and the demon Mahishasura. The sticks symbolize Durga's sword, with each strike depicting her fierce battle to restore peace. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.